2020-21 Louisiana Tech Bulldogs basketball team. The 2020-21 Louisiana Tech Bulldogs basketball team represented Louisiana Tech University during the 2020-21 NCAA Division I men's basketball season. The team was led by sixth-year head coach Eric Konkol and played their home games at Thomas Assembly Center in Ruston, Louisiana, as members of the West Division of Conference USA. The Bulldogs finished first in the West Division, but lost in the tournament to North Texas. They received a bid to the National Invitation Tournament, where they lost to Mississippi State, but then defeated Colorado State in the third-place game to win third place. Previous season, the Bulldogs finished the 2019-20 season 22-8, 13-5 in CUSA play to finish in a tie for second place. They were set to be the No. 3 seed in the CUSA tournament. However, the CUSA tournament was canceled amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Roster, schedule and results. Results.